Before every mold ships from our facility, it goes through a rigorous 6-step preparation process. Every fit is checked. Every dimension is measured. Nothing is assumed. mechanical dry cycle, the real test. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't ship. This is how we deliver molds that are ready on day 1.